Hi, it's Nicole from Cricut. In this video, we'll show you how to use Infusible ink pens and markers to create these foraging-themed coasters. They'll make a great addition to our gift basket. We're going to let our machine draw the intricate design with Infusible ink pens, and then color them in by hand with Infusible ink markers before pressing our design onto the coasters. I love giving these to my kids to color in. Our Explorer 3 will draw directly on laser printer paper that we'll use to transfer our design to the coasters. First, let's go back into Design Space and find the foraging gift basket. We're going to make the coasters, so hide everything else. Now that you have your design set, click Make It. Select Matte and confirm. If you're using paper that is 8.5 by 11, adjust the material size in the left panel and don't forget to mirror. Line up your laser paper on a blue light grip mat and draw your design. The machine will guide and show you when to switch pen colors. Once the design is drawn, the machine will cut out the 4 coasters. Color in as desired. Use heat-resistant tape to secure your designs face down on the coaster blanks. This ensures that nothing moves when you are pressing. Refer to the Cricut Heat app or online instructions for temperature and time settings. Place a piece of white cardstock on your Easy Press mat to prevent ink from bleeding through. Unlike most presses, the Cricut ceramic coasters are pressed upside down. You can press all 4 at once, but to ensure even pressure, you may want to press just one at a time. Place a piece of butcher paper over the top and press, following the time recommended in the Cricut Heat app or online heat guide. Make sure to only use the heat press in a well-ventilated space. When the time is up, remove the press and allow the coaster to cool for a few minutes before moving it. They are hot. You may want to have a pot holder or oven mitt handy to move the coaster to a heat-resistant surface to cool while you press the others. Once the coasters have cooled, remove the tape and reveal your design. See how easy that was? I love it. I hope this helps inspire you to create with Infusible ink. Share your own Infusible ink projects with us in Design Space. See you next time.